So do you all love sweet potato fries? I know there's a lot of us here that do. It's a great weakness, but it's not an easy thing to make. You really can't treat a sweet potato fry the way you would a regular potato. So I've done a lot of reading and I found the most perfect recipe. So let's just jump right in. This is one peeled, extremely large sweet potato, and I've just trimmed off the ends to make it stand up nice and straight. From there, we're going to cut it down into nice, long, somewhat even pieces. Line them up and go ahead and cut them into nice, long, skinny fries. So once you've done that to all of the sweet potato, you go ahead and you're going to toss it in a bowl with your favorite olive oil or extra virgin olive oil. It's really up to you. Then a good amount of cracked black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of paprika, and then finally some kosher salt. And you go ahead and you mix all that up really, really well. Once you're done mixing, go ahead and put it on a sheet pan, kind of like this one. I love using a little bit of parchment paper. It takes a good 10 minutes on 400 degrees. Kind of flip the fries over delicately, and then another anywhere from 10 to 16 to 18 minutes for really golden brown crispy fries. So while mine are actually in the oven, I'm going to show you a lovely little dipping sauce for them. I have a little bit of mayonnaise in this bowl, and then I'm going to add, it's basically equal parts of mayo to sour cream, and then I have some prepared horseradish that already, comes in a jar, and then just a tiny amount of Dijon mustard. Go ahead and mix all that up, but I'm going to add a little bit of salt to it. Delicious. All right, so let's go ahead and grab our sweet potato fries. Whew, beautiful. So these are your gorgeous sweet potato fries. Look how beautifully golden they are. So let's go ahead and put these. They're really hot. And there you have it. Beautiful oven roasted, which is a lot healthier, sweet potato fries with horseradish dipping sauce. You can learn how to make sweet potato fries like mine. The recipe is at checkpleasefl.com.